Alright guys, back at it with the 65 Olson Kurbside. This will be the final chapter. Bleeding the brakes, got the rest of the brakes done. We'll do a few videos here and there as the updates and builds are up, but I'm gonna bleed brakes today and take it for our first test drive. Come along for the ride. That's what we got going on.
Must not be the right size. Not 5/16. What's up? 3/8?
I'm the tool gopher. That's how we roll around here. I get to take it easy and be a tool gopher.
Thank you, sir. I don't know. I like too big. Oh, that's it. So you ready?
I'll crack it and let it go for a little bit and see if we can get some gravity. Because the fronts are, I mean, we're gonna have to do this a couple times.
Yeah, I understand.
Because of the front being completely aired out.
Oh, I got a good stream out of the back.
That's gonna be air pushing it. So, all right, let me give her the old pumperooski.
How about you turn that radio off so you can hear me?
I mean, I can hear you, but it might help. I'll get it. Oh, yeah. Hot Rodder's Home Garage. What's that?
Must have blew a tire or something.
Oh, I'm sure. At least it didn't blow the quarter out. She's to the floor.
Little drip. Steady drip.
All right.
Steady stream.
All right, hold on.
Elevate.
No, hold on. Still a steady stream?
Nope. Let all the air out of it.
Yes, let it go until I tell you. All right, come to this one. Here, a little narrative of what we're doing here.
Talking to me?
No, I'm not talking to you. We did the rear brakes and then bled them out because the front brake line was shot just so we could move it a little bit. And then that gremlin back there had to put a new line in the front, redid the brakes and the wheel cylinders. So now we're bleeding the whole system because the whole front got air, and being this is a suicide setup, it introduces air into everything. So at this point we got pressure, which is good, which means the majority of the air is out. Now we're just going to do a regular bleed. Well, first he's going to do this one because we haven't done that corner. Then we'll go to that one. Start from there. Do a quick bleed in the back, then in the front corner, then this corner, and we should have them completely set. These old school brakes are a little more air gets introduced because you're dealing with 4 corners off of one reservoir instead of 2 on one and 2 on the front, having their separate own reservoirs. So that's where we're at, guys. And then hopefully we can take this for a spin around the block, see what's up. All right, it's probably waiting on me. Are you ready yet?
Nope.
Nope.
Let's make the right side unit, buddy. 7/16 says 3/8. Both of them don't work.
Too big?
7/16.
Are you on the line or are you on the bleeder?
Up the leader, buddy.
There's no reason a bleeder would be a 1/2 inch.
Is there 11/16 in between there?
No.
It's
8/16 would be 1/2 inch.
3/8. It ain't 7/16.
7/16 is too big or too small?
Too big.
Too big? Well, you're going the wrong way.
Wrong way, what?
If it's too big, then 3/8.
It ain't 3/8. I'm trying.
3/8 is too small? Huh? 3/8 is too small. Oh, now he's got it. No, he ain't got it.
That's why all these other meters stick out about an inch and this one don't.
I got the easy job. It's not my truck, though. What'd you use last time? Come on, old man. Your memory isn't that bad. It wasn't that long ago. Is it a 10 mil? Let me go do my job of gophering. Gopher. I bet that's what it is.
Why would they hook up a trailer hitch? Why would they hook up a trailer hitch?
A trailer?
Bingo, bango, buddy.
A trailer hitch? What about it?
I don't know. Just looks like somebody put a house wiring and shit in here, man.
Oh.
I got it. Right, waiting on you.
Oh, now you're waiting on me. Oh, okay.
Sorry.
I'll open it. We'll let gravity do its job.
I hear it. Here it comes. Close.
Not yet.
Got a good screen.
All right, close it.
Close.
Do your quickie.
Oh yeah, shot way across. That's what she said.
That's what you said.
Oh, yep, good string.
All right, go to the other side, and then we'll start, and then we're going to do all four again, but starting with the passenger side. It's a pretty good pedal, though. So we'll just do quickies on all four corners. I'm going to do a quickie at all four corners, because I like hearing him get up and down and grunt and moan like an old man. He's 7 days older than me. I can call him old man.
1 hour later.
Yep.
Big street.
Solid, no spurt?
Nope.
All right, let me pump it. I'll do it one more time, and then you can come over to this side. All right.
Big spurt.
Woo. Yeah, we're getting good pedal. Thing's only moving a couple inches, and then she's like hitting a freaking brick wall. I mean, look at that. That's all the way out. Look at brick wall. I mean, there really isn't. It's gonna be really good brakes. Chassis swap it onto a modern.
Fuck that right now. I'm trying to get my minimal.
Oh, I know. I said until you.
Yeah, until somebody offers me 10 grand too. Ready?
Quickie. You did that at the exact same time I was pushing the brake. I'm like, what the f*** is that?
I got gas, man.
Oh, you're gonna blow the new hose?
A few moments later.
All right, I'm gonna start her up and go on a maiden voyage here. Brakes are bled. Test drive a time around the neighborhood. Starts right up. I found the float was bad. Had a hole in it. Was having a problem starting. I had a spare one from another carburetor and put that in there. How do they feel? How do they feel? The brakes? You're in third. we get to the stop sign. Try them. Get on them good. How they feel?
Okay, I mean, they don't feel great.
I'm just standing there, guys.
Yeah, baby. That baby rock.
Back on the road. Good to go. Braced for impact. No seat on this side. Gotta put a sign on the side that says free candy.
Go to jail. It's idling a little high.
I'll burp it.
Like stopping a tank, man.
Stand on them once like you're trying to save your own life. The pads need to seat in a little bit, you know. Oh, that's better. Jesus. I got gas all over my foot. Blinkers work? Alright, so well guys, that'll conclude this one. He's pulling radiator and alternator and water pump. Whatever, but that was a pretty successful test run. Made it no problem around the neighborhood. Stopped pretty good. I think the more he seasons in those brakes, the better they get. That should close this chapter, other than a few updates along the way if he's working on it and doing things. I'll introduce you guys to mine here soon. We'll be taking that to swap meets, and I think he's going to take that once he gets it running and driving to swap meets, and then maybe we'll go together, which will look pretty cool, the two of us rolling in with some old ass beat up step vans that are pretty cool. So thanks for checking it out, guys. Like this video if you want to see more content like this, and when more 65 Grumman Olson material comes up, or my 64 Grumman material comes up, you'll be notified. Smash that subscribe button. Comment down below what you think. Much appreciated. Helps us out a lot. Grow this channel. Don't forget, don't wait for your project to be perfect to enjoy it. Do a little something to get her on the road, go out, drive her around, enjoy it, and pull her back in your driveway or your shop or whatever, and do the next thing. All right, that being said, guys, thanks for stopping. Keep wrenching.